not raining, it's raining on us. Because we need to feel so significant and so important. Why? Because we are human beings, and human beings, just like your little ones, need what? Attention. Anybody here like attention? Yeah? There's a couple of you. You're all liars if you're not nodding your head. There's not a single person. It's a human characteristic. We need to get attention, whether it's love, whether it's support, whatever it is. Okay? So we're going to be real here, because this is going to be a long day if you're not. Because if you're going to fight your own battle in your own mind on how you really go, like that voice. Do you guys ever hear that voice in your head? Yeah, that one right there. That one that talks to you all. What voice are you talking about? That's the voice. The one that doesn't really live in the world of benefiting you. Like, did that voice tell you you have a full day training today? You should wake up 45 minutes earlier and go for a walk to wake yourself up or energize yourself so you can pay more attention. Did that voice tell you that, or did that voice justify somehow extra carbohydrates that you know you're not supposed to have this morning? Wow, everybody look at you. What you got here? Oh, she got a, what she got a?
I just had a banana.
What do you got there?
Oh. This is not mine.
Oh. She slid everything in front of her over to her. Oh, wait, they gave you guys